In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your GameSir G7 Pro to your phone using Bluetooth so you can play mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, and more with a controller. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to turn on your phone Bluetooth. So, open your phone and go to the settings and then tap Bluetooth. After that, you need to turn on Bluetooth on and keep the screen open so your phone can detect devices. And then after that, you need to switch your controller to Bluetooth mode. On your GameSir G7 Pro, I want you to find the mode switch on the back or side depending on version and slide it to the Bluetooth mode. This tells the controller to search for phones instead of PC or receiver. And then after that, you need to power on the controller. Now, press the Xbox or the home button. Wait until the light turns on. This means the controller is ready to pair. Okay? And if successful, your controller light will become solid, not blinking. And then you need to enter the pairing mode. To make your controller visible, press and hold the pairing button, usually near the USB-C port or the back side. Keep holding until the light starts flashing rapidly. That means it is now discoverable. After that, don't forget to find the controller on your phone. So go back to your phone Bluetooth list, look for GameSir G7 Pro. Tap to connect and wait a few seconds for pairing to complete. What will happen is Bluetooth is mainly optimized for a wait a few seconds for pairing to complete. And then finally, you need to confirm connection and test it. Okay, so once connected, the controller light should become solid, no more flashing. Open any supported game like Call of Duty, Fortnite if supported on your device, Minecraft, and Genshin Impact. Then move the joystick, press buttons, and make sure the game responds correctly. If it works, you're fully connected. Then you're now ready to play mobile games like PUBG, COD Mobile, and more. But if it doesn't work, I need you to restart Bluetooth and repair. Now, if the controller shows up but doesn't work, restart the game. If it disconnects, turn Bluetooth off and on again, and make sure you are not connected to a PC or dongle at the same time, because some games require enabling controller support and settings. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you connect your GameSir G7 Pro to your phone using Bluetooth step by step. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.